In my previous video, I asked you guys to try the law of attraction, and if you tried and didn't get what you actually wanted, let's see why in this video. And I also ended my previous video with a question. Everybody in this world wants to be rich, but why aren't they rich? Let's look at the answer for this question in this video and let's get started. The answer for the question is very simple. We focus more on what we don't want than what we do want. No, I'm not joking. This is the truth. If people want to be rich, they should think about being rich. Instead, we just wish to be rich and start thinking about the poverty we live in. The law of attraction is a universal law. It just receives what you give and reflects back all the like things. Well, if you want to be rich, you should always think about having the money. What will you do with the money? What sources do you expect the money will come from? What actions are required to attain the money you want? If you need money to buy a house, then you should also think how the house will be, what color will you be painting, how many rooms you need, etc. If you want money, these are the thoughts you should have in your mind. Instead, we have all the opposite thoughts. What we actually think is, I want to be rich, but I have so much debts, so much pending bills, I'm not earning enough, I can't be a millionaire, I can't earn money. These are the thoughts we have in our mind. So when we have all the bad thoughts about money in our mind, we will never attract money to our life. When we send out these thoughts, I don't have enough money, I can't earn money, all these bad thoughts to the universe, we know what we will be receiving back. Listen carefully. It's not a matter of what you want or what you don't want. It's just what you focus on. If you focus on poverty, complain being poor, blame people for your poverty, and that is what you continuously focus on, and that is what you will be receiving over and over. If you are an athlete, you always think about winning the game, how you will be defeating the opponent, what strategies you will be using, and you play that over and over in your mind for 100 times. No wonder you win the real game. Many athletes follow this technique. Now that we know this about the law of attraction, about the thoughts, it's very clear that our life is not in our hands, but in our heads. Past is past. From now on, we take complete responsibility for our life. Anything happening to you is because of your own thoughts. You attracted it. You should never blame anybody or anything for what's happening to you. Blame yourself for any negative things and congratulate yourself for any positive things. Take control of your life. Everything is here. Today's practice is, we would always focus on the negative part in some area of our life. Take that and start focusing on the positive things. For example, if you think you're very bad at group discussions, take that into consideration and shift your thoughts. Before going into the group discussion, you would always think that I'm not going to do well, I'm going to mess it up, people will laugh at me, people will insult me. These are the thoughts that will be going in your head. Shift those thoughts. You were thinking about what you don't want. Think about what you do want. Imagine doing the discussion in a very great way. Imagine that people are congratulating you. This is what you actually want. So let's do this practice today. I'm sharing the wisdom I learned from the book The Secret with you guys, and I want each and every one of you watching this video to share this video with 2 of your friends. And if you have watched my video this far, thank you so much for watching my video. Spread positivity.